Sure, that's gel your pearls. You can get it here. I'll show you. Yeah. For example, is the Baroque Pro. This is the freshwater Pro and the Baroque design. And if I, for example, this Pro, I want to make a ring, and how I want middle with a hole. So, okay, my fur baby. So you can get another gift as well. Yeah, you can get another gift as well. I will be prepared as a gift surprise. I know your size. You want a 24 inch. Yeah, 24 inch the necklace. Okay, it's going to be a, for example, let's do it small. Okay, 25 inch. Okay, I will be make as a surprise to you. Okay, we tight it here, and we can gel the hole. Yeah, gel the hole, and we're going to use the piece of the Baroque Pro to make a ring. It's not a beads, so it's very easy to go through. Okay, so we can use it to make a piece of the ring. Yeah, we can use it to make a ring. I'm going to show you. Yeah, that's the tool. We also sell the tools. Make a ring. I use a ready-made ring. Okay, this one is a size 7. Is a stainless steel ring here, and we are going to use this piece of the Baroque Pro and put it on the top of here to make a ring. Make this ring, you need to follow my tips, because if you are not make it tight, it will be easy to be loose. Yeah, easy to can be move. It will be loose. Yeah, so if we want to make it enough strong, here I'm going to show you. We will use the wire 0.4. Do you sell those tools? Yes, of course. If you want, you can get it. The price of this tool is $49. $49, and it is this is the, how to say, yeah, the to position the Pro, and the bit that's especially for Pro, and to gel the hole bigger, and here the different things, and the USB, and the another piece of the top to replace here. Yeah, it depends on you are used to different bit. Okay, so here, let me see. It's Chinese, but I will put English instruction, a simple instruction to show you. But I need to let customer know it cannot gel the crystal, it cannot gel the glass. It's only gel the pearl, the shell, the animal bone, and like resin or wood or something that's not so much fillage. Yeah. If you want to gel the crystal, this one not work. Yeah, crystal not work for this one. Okay, gel the nature crystal or the stone that's that since it's a little bit fridge, so it cannot work. So just to let you understand that it's a mini jar. It's with some limited, not everything can be jar. Yeah. Shipping. Where are you from? Yeah, if you are from USA, shipping cost is 9.9, and when your order meet $100 is free shipping. If you are from the other countries, the shipping cost is $5, $50 free shipping. USA $100 free shipping and 9.9 to shipping USA. About 2 or 3 weeks you will receive it. Yeah, 2 or 3 weeks you will receive it. Yes. Okay. So here, let's go. Here. Thank you. Yeah, I have the customer 70% is from USA. So if you are interested, you can try it. Yeah. It's a good tool if you are looking for some gel to gel the pearl you have. So this one, the tool is good. I've used it for long time. My husband says if I see another pink box, I'm in trouble. So I pack it in a gray box, in a gray poly bag, not in a pink. Always says rapper sent you another box. Okay, so interesting. Okay, so here we are go here to wrap. Yeah, rapper sent you another. Okay, so here tight. And tight. Yeah. Here is to wrap the piece. Yeah, wrap the piece like this first. Okay. I cut it away. Hello, Suli. Happy to see you. I'm good, my dear. Yeah. Then we go through the beads. Okay, later please send my total on message. Okay, no problem. That's funny. My husband know your box, Stella. Yes. Southern Crab also said her husband know that my box come in when with a pink poly bag. It's because say I tell him rapper time. Take it to me later. Yeah. Here. So when we wrap like this, so you need to wrap it several times on the surface of the pro. Yeah. Yeah. If they will feel happy that his wife get a lot of fun during these materials, during making the handmade. Yeah. Wife not feel lonely and not be angry, not be feel calm down. Okay, here wrap up. And when we wrap it, okay, here like this you will see that the pearl will still move. So if you want it not to move, we are going to tight it like this. Yeah, tight it several times like this way to position the pearl not to move. Yeah. Okay, and then we go wrap it. Yeah, wrap it again. Tight. So tight the pearl several times. Okay, here. And again to wrap the position on the base. Yeah, here must be wrap it on the base to let the pearl not move. Okay. Here. the base is important to let it not move. When you rub many times, then you see the pro is not move anymore. Okay, then you can stop. Hidden the note on the back of the pro. Yeah, it's a Baroque pro. Okay, so it's stronger, not move, and it's going to be a ring like this.